If you've ever wished for an operating system that feels fast, reliable, and modern without demanding expensive hardware, then Xubuntu might be exactly what you're looking for. In a world where many operating systems continue to grow heavier with every update, requiring more RAM, faster processors, and larger storage drives, Xubuntu takes a different approach. It proves that a computer doesn't have to be brand new to provide a smooth and enjoyable experience. Whether you're trying to revive an old laptop that's collecting dust, build a lightweight workstation, or simply prefer speed over flashy animations, Xubuntu offers an impressive balance between performance, simplicity, and functionality. At its core, Xubuntu is an official flavor of Ubuntu, which means it shares the same powerful foundation as one of the most popular Linux distributions in the world. However, instead of using Ubuntu's default GNOME desktop environment, Xubuntu comes with the XFCE desktop. This single decision changes everything about how the operating system feels. XFCE is designed to be lightweight, responsive, and efficient, while still offering a complete desktop experience. It doesn't waste system resources on unnecessary visual effects or background services, allowing your computer to focus on what actually matters, running your applications quickly and reliably. One of the biggest reasons people choose Xubuntu is its ability to breathe new life into older hardware. Many laptops and desktops from 5, 8, or even 10 years ago struggle with modern versions of Windows because those systems consume a large portion of available memory before you even open an application. Xubuntu, on the other hand, starts with a much smaller memory footprint, leaving more RAM available for web browsing, office work, programming, media playback, or whatever tasks you need to accomplish. The result is a computer that feels responsive instead of sluggish, extending the useful life of hardware that might otherwise be thrown away. But don't make the mistake of thinking Xubuntu is only for aging computers. Many Linux enthusiasts install it on powerful modern desktops because they appreciate its speed and efficiency. Even if your computer has the latest processor and plenty of memory, a lightweight operating system means faster boot times, quicker application launches, and a smoother workflow. Instead of wasting resources on fancy desktop animations that add little practical value, your hardware can dedicate its full power to demanding tasks like software development, video editing, virtualization, or gaming. The XFCE desktop deserves much of the credit for this experience. It offers a traditional desktop layout that immediately feels familiar to anyone coming from Windows. You have an application menu, taskbar, system tray, desktop icons, and customizable panels. Unlike some modern desktop environments that constantly reinvent how users interact with their computers, XFCE focuses on usability and consistency. Everything is where you expect it to be, making the learning curve much smaller for new Linux users. Customization is another area where Xubuntu shines. Despite being lightweight, it doesn't sacrifice flexibility. You can move panels to different sides of the screen, change themes, install icon packs, adjust window behavior, create custom keyboard shortcuts, and personalize nearly every aspect of the desktop. Whether you prefer a minimal workspace with only the essentials or a highly customized desktop that reflects your personal style, Xubuntu makes it easy to create an environment that works for you. Because Xubuntu is built on Ubuntu, it benefits from one of the largest software ecosystems in the Linux world. Thousands of applications are available through Ubuntu's repositories, allowing users to install browsers, Alpha Switch's development tools, multimedia software creative applications, educational programs, and games with just a few clicks or simple terminal commands. Popular software like Firefox, LibreOffice, VLC Media Player, GIMP, Thunderbird, Visual Studio Code, and many others either come pre-installed or can be installed quickly from trusted sources. Security is another major advantage. Linux distributions, including Xubuntu, have earned a strong reputation for being secure by design. Regular security updates are delivered through Ubuntu's package management system, making it easy to keep your computer protected against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Unlike some operating systems where antivirus software becomes almost mandatory, many Linux users operate safely without heavy antivirus programs because of Linux's permission model and software distribution methods. Of course, practicing good security habits is always important, but Xubuntu provides a solid foundation for safe computing. Software updates are handled in a straightforward way. Instead of visiting multiple websites to update different applications, Xubuntu manages system updates, drivers, and installed software through centralized package management. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of downloading software from untrusted sources. With a few clicks, your entire operating system can remain up to date and secure. Another feature that makes Ubuntu appealing is its stability. Ubuntu has spent years building a reputation for dependable releases, especially its long-term support versions, commonly known as LTS releases. Since Ubuntu shares this same base, users receive years of security updates and maintenance, making it an excellent choice for home users, businesses, schools, and organizations that prioritize reliability over constantly changing features. Developers also appreciate Xubuntu because it provides an efficient environment for programming. Whether you're writing Python scripts, developing web applications, compiling C++ projects, or working with Docker containers and virtual machines. The lightweight desktop leaves more system resources available for development workloads. Combined with Ubuntu's extensive developer tools and documentation, Xubuntu becomes an excellent platform for software engineering. Students benefit as well. Affordable laptops with modest hardware often struggle under heavier operating systems, making everyday tasks frustrating. Installing Xubuntu can transform those same machines into capable devices for research, writing assignments, attending online classes, programming, and learning Linux itself. Since Linux skills are increasingly valuable in cloud computing, cybersecurity, DevOps, and system administration, using Xubuntu can also serve as an educational investment. The installation process is surprisingly beginner-friendly. The installer guides users through selecting language, keyboard layout, storage options, and user accounts with clear instructions. Most hardware components such as Wi-Fi adapters, graphics cards, printers, and audio devices work automatically thanks to Ubuntu's extensive hardware support. For users transitioning from Windows, this simplicity helps remove much of the anxiety often associated with installing a new operating system. Community support is another major strength. Because Xubuntu belongs to the Ubuntu family, users have access to countless tutorials, forums, YouTube videos, documentation, and online communities where experienced users help newcomers solve problems. Chances are, if you encounter an issue, someone else has already experienced it and shared a solution online. Energy efficiency is another overlooked advantage. Lightweight software places less demand on processors, often reducing power consumption during normal workloads. On laptops, this can translate into longer battery life, allowing users to work for extended periods away from a charger. While battery performance also depends on hardware and drivers, Xubuntu's efficient resource usage certainly contributes to a more power-friendly computing experience. One of the most satisfying aspects of using Xubuntu is simply how responsive it feels. Applications open quickly, Windows moves smoothly, multitasking remains fluid, and the system rarely feels overwhelmed during everyday use. Even after months or years of operation, many users report that Xubuntu maintains its speed without gradually becoming bloated, something that cannot always be said for every operating system. Ultimately, Xubuntu represents an important philosophy in modern computing. Instead of assuming everyone needs increasingly powerful hardware just to perform basic tasks, it demonstrates that thoughtful software design can deliver speed, stability, and usability without unnecessary complexity. Whether you're rescuing an aging computer from retirement, looking for a distraction-free operating system, exploring Linux for the first time, or simply wanting a desktop that values performance over excess, Xubuntu offers a practical solution that continues to impress users around the world. It combines Ubuntu's trusted foundation with the lightweight efficiency of XFCE, creating an operating system that respects both your hardware and your time, proving that sometimes the fastest computer isn't the newest one, it's the one running the right software.